Children, welcome to the socials class. Today we will learn chapter number 5 of social studies, that is we need air and water. Yes, of course we need air and water. Air and water are the basic necessity of life. We can survive without the luxuries, but we cannot survive without air and water. In this video, we will cover the following topics: need of air, composition of air, ways to get fresh air, and reason for air pollution. Children, do you know air surrounds us? Or we can say that we are surrounded by air. Air हमारे चारों तरफ है. But the question arises, what is the need of air? All the living organisms need air to breathe. जितने भी living और creatures हैं इस world में, they all need air to breathe. Air is a mixture of various gases. Like you can see in the picture, air is a mixture of various gases like nitrogen, oxygen, water vapor, carbon dioxide, argon, neon, and many more. The most important for human beings and animals is oxygen, which is shown by the green color. You can see in the picture, the green color, it reflects oxygen, which is very important for us. Let's see why it is very important. Children, plant release oxygen and people inhale oxygen. Plants जो ऑक्सीजन रिलीज करते हैं हम उसे इनहेल कर लेते हैं and then we exhale carbon dioxide, which is inhaled by plants. See the cycle? Plants ऑक्सीजन रिलीज करते हैं एंड हम उस ऑक्सीजन को इनहेल कर लेते हैं. देन वी एक्सेल कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, और जो हम एक्सेल करते हैं कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड वो प्लांट्स इनहेल कर लेते हैं. सो द बैलेंस ऑफ नेचर इज रिस्टोर्टेड. We should breathe clean and fresh air. But how we will get the fresh air and clean air? We should plant more trees, because more trees will be there, more oxygen will be there, and we will get fresh and clean air to breathe. We should take a regular morning walk. Regular morning walk is very important for being healthy. We should play in open spaces. Children, if you will not play outside in the open air, then you will get sick. अगर आप घर पे ही रहेंगे, टीवी देखते रहेंगे, गैजेट्स में टाइम स्पेंड करेंगे, then what will happen? It will affect your eyesight and you will not get fresh air. And fresh air is very important to be healthy in life. Now let's talk about the reason of air pollution. Nowadays, the air is getting polluted due to various human activities. And these activities are cutting off trees. Of course, if we will cut trees, then how we will get air from them? How we will get oxygen from them? So, humans are cutting down the trees and which is polluting the air. Now the question arises, why they are cutting the trees? अगर हमें पता है that plant give us oxygen, तो हम plants को क्यों काटते हैं? Sometimes we act selfish and stupid also. We cut trees to and clear the land for agriculture. कभी industries के लिए clear कर देते हैं forest को, कभी घर बनाने के लिए. So which result in less number of trees and it increase pollution. Next is burning of crackers. Yes, you all must have burned crackers in your life and it is a very fun activity also, but we have to realize the fact that it pollute our environment. जब आप लोग पटाखे जलाते हैं then you must have seen कितना ज़्यादा smoke निकलता है and this smoke is mixed in the air and it pollute the air. So we should not burn crackers because it is polluting the environment. The smoke from the factories and vehicles also, it pollute the environment. When you go to the market, you might have seen that so much pollution is there because of the vehicles which mixed in the air and pollute it. burning of wood and other fuels. When we burn something, it creates smoke, and that smoke is very harmful for the air because it pollutes the air. So children, in this video we have learned कि air हमारे लिए कितनी important है. If air will not be there, we won't be able to breathe और हमें बहुत सारी diseases हो जाएंगी if we will breathe the polluted air. So we have to breathe the fresh air.